Hello, in this video I want to show you one really instructive and interesting game of Mikhail Botvinnik. I was impressed how he attacked his opponent and he won very quickly and in a nice style. I want to start this game from the scratch, from the opening, because the opening was also interesting. So let's go. Paul Keres played as white, Mikhail Botvinnik played as black, d4 knight f6, the classical Nimzo on the board. Bishop goes b4, queen c2, the main line still nowadays. d5, possible option. The main move here is castle short, but d5 like an old move. d5, takes, bishop goes g5. That's still like the popular line. Bishop h4, c5. And in this sharp position, the main move for white is to go d takes c5. Besides, white decided to play castle long, the move that is really weird. So the main line goes after d takes c5, g5, bishop g3, knight e4. The position is very sharp, and something like this, like e3, queen e5, knight e2, bishop f5. A crazy position. You need to be a specific lover of the structures to play it as black, but that looks still interesting. So returning back to the game, after the c5, castle long, that looks like interesting, effective, but no, that's really bad. Yeah, the rook is going to the center, but at the same time we define the king too early, and we have a semi-open line c, which allows us potentially to attack. And here Botvinnik started to keep his energy. He decided to play bishop takes c3. Computer thinks that it's better after castle long to firstly go g5 in this position. I mean, instead of playing bishop c3, like g5, he loves bishop g3, c takes, rook takes, and now bishop takes c3 in this move order. It's more or less would be the same like in a game, like queen c3, knight e6, and after rook d1, castle short. Yeah, it looks like we're strangely castling because the pawn structure is not so well to the king, but the point is that our next is bishop f5, rook c8, and this king is weak, way more weak than the king on g8. More or less the same we will see in the game. I believe that computer doesn't like bishop c3 so much because his main line now is to play bishop f6. But after the bishop b2, queen f6, right, this position, black collected a pawn, it's like no troubles at all. We will do castle short, the king is still in the troubles, he's completely unlocked, and we didn't even play a g5. So from the human side, the move bishop takes c3 immediately looks completely okay. Queen takes c3, now g5, we need to unpin our knight, and to use this typical knight e4 trick somewhere in the game. Bishop goes g3, c takes d4, and in this position, computer recommends to play queen a3, which looks totally not logical. I don't know, after queen a3, bishop f5, I still want to move up like this. Yeah, white trying to prevent the castle, but we still have a harder attack, especially because our bishop blocks the way to the king, so he can't be transposed to the corner. But again, in my vision, it's tough to make this move. So queen takes d4 was in the game. On rook takes d4, I will do this line. Rook d1, castle long, and we have a deja vu because we already recapped this position, right? We know that that's like very aggressive after bishop f5, rook goes c8. Definitely better for black. Basically, after queen d4, we are drafting to the pretty same, knight c6. Queen a4, bishop f5. A very important move. We need to cut the way to the king so he can't be transposed to the a1. We want to play rook c8 and castle. And let's just see and enjoy how Botvinnik killed his opponent here. So e3, rook goes c8, bishop d3. What to do? It's like looks like the only move just to have an opportunity to maybe move the king. But Botvinnik makes the calm queen d7. A very nice approach. We are protecting the bishop, and at the same time we want to unpin our knight, right, from this queen. So now we really want to go knight b4 check. We don't need to forget about the discovery attack. Keres used to play king b1, because like on bishop f5 I can play queen f5 and my queen is still takes the squares under control. So king goes b1, takes, and queen f5. And now we are having a pin on the rook on d3, and what to do, like on queen d1, I believe I can simply go knight b4, right? So like at least like my minimal thing. So that's why Keres decided to play e4, but to sacrifice the pawn in this way is not good. Knight takes e4, king a1. Yeah, the king finally joined the corner, but we have an x-ray to play rook c1 at some moment, right? Also the king in a trouble, and don't forget that development is not finished yet. Here Botvinnik just made a classy move, castle. Now the knight is again unpinned, the king is completely safe, and we are about to play knight b4 because that would be a double attack to the rook and to the rook c1 mate. So white decided to return back the rook by rook d1, trying to take the background issues under control. b5 now, again amazing move that I really like. The all moves of black are having an energy, that each move is attack something. So the idea is like, doesn't matter queen b5 how it was on the game, or even in case of queen b3, I will still go knight d4, and you can't take on d4 because of rook c1. So we just want to make everything with the tempo. After queen takes b5, knight d4, the knight coming to the game with the tempo. Still rook takes d4 is not available, rook c1 mate. So queen d3, Keres tried to play, but straight after knight c2 check, king b1, knight b4, white resigned because the queen needs to go away from this diagonal with the king, and then we would have a discover attack that is killing. Like for example, queen b3 or queen f3 to trade the queens, knight goes d2, it's a double check. Right, the queen is also hanging, and we are about to checkmate in a few moves, or at least take the queen. So amazing game played by Mikhail Botvinnik. He used the opponent early mistake, the castle long, and by the energy gameplay, he finally won this position. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to type your comment below this video. Did you like this or not? And see you soon on my next episodes on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.